good to have a reference up on screen. I forget what overalls look like. Oh, speaking of references though, did you guys see that? I guess some of you might know. PureRef, the little image reference program I use a lot, they have a new version now. Added some quality of life things. They added like you can group images together and then like scale it, and then they added like GIF compatibility, I think, and like a bunch of things. It's super helpful. I use it a lot. A must-have program. I mean, I highly suggest it because it's just nice to just drag and drop images from online and then just have it grouped and ready.
When we draw, we often need to search online for reference images. We can pass these images in the art software, but it may adversely affect the performance and the file size. Or we can split the screen to display the reference images, but this reduces the available drawing space. Therefore, some software, such as window top and desk pins, allows you to keep application screen on top. We can draw while referencing images at the same time. PureRef, a tool frequently used by Ina, is specifically designed for keeping reference images on top. You can drag various images from the web into PureRef and arrange them. The images remain on top, allowing you to draw while referring to them. You can also group, scale, and arrange the images. You can even make the images transparent, which is helpful for tracing. Another new feature is the ability to use GIF. After dragging a GIF into PureRef, you can easily view all its frames. By keeping PureRef on top of the art software, you can study the GIF frame by frame and draw. Also, we can drag images from File Explorer into PureRef.